Hey guys, Jameson Redding here, Decked Ambassador, and I want to take a quick minute to show you guys what I have in my drawers. So for me, I've kind of set the drawers up separately. One is things that always stay in my truck, and we'll open that one first. I'm always going to have tools. I'm always going to have recovery gear in my truck, so if I'm off-roading or whatever. So this drawer is full of just everything that used to live in the cab of my truck. It can now live in this drawer. So I've got everything from hammers, hatchets, pliers. Always have a first aid kit available. That stays in the truck. Bluetooth speakers, propane torch, wiring stuff for rigging out kayaks. This box is full of just miscellaneous hand tools. And then the one behind it actually has a couple of power tools in it. So it's got a couple of drills, an impact driver and a drill, because I'm always rigging on a kayak somewhere, and just having those always in the truck is just awesome. Ratchet set, and behind that is my worn recovery kit that's going to have some straps and some things like that in case I get stuck or need to pull someone out. So that all just lives in this drawer 100% of the time. It's always with me, secure, dry, you name it. This drawer is kind of my modular drawer. So I do a lot of camping out of the truck. I do a lot of fishing out of the truck. I hunt. So I'm always kind of switching this drawer around. Right now we're on a little kayak fishing trip. So I've got some tackle in here, but one of the main things I like putting in here is my paddles and Pfds. There's plenty of length for the paddles, and they're always inside the truck. They're expensive. I don't want to get them stolen. So usually I had them in the cab, but since I've had the deck system, it's really nice to have them stored back here. Same with life jackets. These things can get wet, sweaty, and they stink, and I don't want them in my truck. So putting them in here, keeping them locked is awesome. But when I want to camp, I actually have some of the D boxes set up with my camping, like kitchen and whatnot, and I can just pull all this out really quick, drop in that D box, it's ready to go. I have a D box set up for saltwater. I have one set up for freshwater fishing, and I can just kind of swap out this side to whatever activity I'm doing at the moment. But that's how I have my deck system rigged and what's in my drawers.